Welcome to Belong. Get a ticket, play the game, and check your Opensea score with this tutorial. Click on the link, select Buy a ticket, input your email, and choose your preferred payment method. For this demonstration, I'll be using MetaMask. Connect to your crypto wallet. Sign the request. Greenlight the mint request, and get ready to witness the magic as your ticket gets minted. Now that your ticket is secured, our next stop is the event page. Dive into the fun part. Seek out the thrilling Play the Game button and prepare to showcase your skills. Your mission? Achieve the highest score imaginable. Aim high, chase that high score, and don't worry if the first attempt doesn't crown you the champion. You've got unlimited retries. Once you've achieved your desired score, save the result by clicking Close button. Head to your Opensea account to discover the newly minted NFT. Open it, click More, represented by 3 dots for the action menu, then select Refresh Metadata and refresh the page. Your in-game score proudly rests within the Traits section. Ready to witness your gaming prowess immortalized in digital glory.